Hi guys, here to talk about the little Tempo. We have the heated Tempo from Mytee, and it is probably their base starting machine. It's actually great for spot removal. Unfortunately, a lot of people use it for auto detailing too, and they kind of overuse it. It's not really made for that, but it will work. Most of the time you just want to pick up spots and stuff, or maybe do like a chair or two, so you don't have to take a entire big machine with you when you go inside. Or if you're managing the facility, you know, when you got a little spot here and a spot there, you have the machine to do the spotting without you having to set up a lot, and it's kind of handy and easy. It's about 30 some pounds. This package actually comes with these two, so when you get this from us, this makes I believe 64 gallons of pre-spray. And you can use it as a pre-spray or a detergent. It has directions. It's approved by the Carpet and Rug Institute, so it doesn't void any warranties. This one is like a two-part, which you have to shake it up because it's like oil and water. They don't mix, so you have to shake it up right before you use it, because there's a non-volatile and a volatile. And the reason you want to do that is because you don't want to leave the residue from the cleaner onto the carpet. You want to make sure it evaporates. So these two come with it, with our package. It's a great spotter, but what we're doing is the unboxing. So let's do that. Let's do this one. So see what kind of goodies we have in here. All right, here's the hose. This is 1.25" hose. This is a 1/4" QD with a really nice compression line going inside here, but keeping it all nice and clean for you. This is the upholstery tool that comes with it. Kudos to Mytee for wrapping this up so well. Protects it. It's got a nice soft lever, comfortable grip, all clear head. Got a glide, so it's easy to move back and forth. It sprays from here, and it has probably a 8002 jet on it, so it's a 2-flow. So that's the spotter. This right here is the sleeve that goes around the QDs, like around this, so it doesn't hurt you if it's too hot. So it comes with it. It's got a nice power cord, probably about 20 feet looks like. It has a drain in the back where you can drain and dump the water really easily and quickly and fast. All the power switches are here. You got your vacuum, you got your solution, and then you got your heater. We only usually stock the heated one because if you're going to be cleaning something, you got to have heat for it to work. So the main reason. This is the waste tank. It has a little filter on it where the air goes through. So the water drops in here, the dirt drops in here, and the air goes through here and it exhausts out the back. This is the fresh water. This is where you can add water. You can use a bucket to put water in here, or you can take it to a sink and fill it up. It's 1.5 gallon. It's got really nice vacuum. It's probably one of the best spotters as far as the profile. It's kind of small. It fits in any place. It's lightweight, easy to transport. It's a really good quality machine with heat. Got these swivel tires on it. Kind of makes it easy to move around in any direction. That's basically it. So you know where to buy it, right? Magic Wand Company. And if you want to see a video of this in action, subscribe and you will get it in your feed. Thank you.